Good morning, students. Today's session is area of the plane figures. Area of the plane figures. Plane figures you know already. 2D figures are called plane figures. 2D figures means two-dimensional figures in which length and breadth. Area of the plane figures. This is for class 7. Okay, first we define area of a plane figure. Measure of its interior region. Suppose this is plane figure. It is plane figure. So a measure of its interior region. This is interior region, shaded part. So measure of this interior region is called area. Area of plane figure, measure of its interior region. It is also plane figure, that is rectangle. So measure of its interior region, this is interior part. So this is area. So area, the measure of interior region is area of plane figure. First of all, we see area of triangle. Area of triangle. There are some formula in area of triangle. Area of triangle if base and height are given. Suppose that triangle ABC be given, and from AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. So suppose length of AD is H, suppose that, and length of BC is B. H stands for height, B stands for base. The area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into altitude. Altitude is a perpendicular from vertex to a side, 1 upon 2 base B, high altitude H. Altitude, perpendicular, height, these all are synonyms. 1 by 2 base into height, it is area of triangle. Suppose that area of triangle is given, area of triangle is given and base is given, then you can find height using this formula only. If area is given and base, height is given, you want to find base, then you can find the base using this formula only. Area, base and height, these all are unknown quantities. If any two of them are given, then third we can find. No need to remember the formula for base and formula for height. Only single formula keep in mind. Area is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. If base and height are given. Example number 1. If base is 5 centimeter and height is 3 centimeter, then area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height, 1/2 into base 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 5 3 is 15, 15/2 cm square. 15/2 cm square you can divide 7.5 cm square. It is also correct, it is also correct. So area of a triangle is 1/2 into base into height. One more example. If base is equal to 3xy and height is equal to 2xy. If base is equal to 3xy, height is equal to 2xy, then area of triangle 1/2 into 3xy into 2xy. See here about x and y. About x and y, there is not given it is variable or it is units. So write only x y. Multiply 2/2 will be cancelled. 3xy into xy. xy square as like 3 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 3 to just 6 cm square, not c square m square. Similarly xy into xy, xy square. If you write 3x square y square, so it will be wrong because there is no discussion about x and y. So it is unit. Consider xy as unit. One more example, example number 3. Area of, if base is equal to 2x and height is x, then area is equal to 1/2 into base into height, 1/2 into 2x into x, 2 that means x into x, x square. X square. There is also no units. So I hope all of you have understood how to find area of triangle if base and altitudes are given in unit forms and without unit. Suppose that in xy second topic is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is also plain figure. This is rectangle. You know each angle is of 90 degree. ABCD is a rectangle. Angle A is 90 degree, angle C, angle B, angle D. each angle is of 90 degree in a rectangle. It is 90 degree. So AD is perpendicular to AB and AB is length. BCD opposite sides are equal. So it is also equal to B and it is also equal to L. From triangle, see it is a right angle triangle ABC. So AB is height and BC is base. So area will be 1/2 into base into height. Similarly, area of this triangle 1/2 into L into B, or for this also 1/2 into L into B. There are two triangles. So area of this rectangle is equal to area of this triangle plus this triangle. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD. Area of triangle ABD 1/2 into base L into height B plus 1/2 into base L into height B. L into B LB by 2 plus L into B LB by 2. You know x into y is equal to xy, but 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Similarly, L into B is equal to LB. 1 LB upon 2 and 1 LB upon 2, 2 LB upon 2. 1 plus 1 and 2 by 2 will be cancelled. It is equal to LB. L is length and B is breadth. L is length and B is breadth. Length into breadth. So area of triangle is equal to length into breadth. How length into breadth? You can see from here. No need to remember the formula of any plane figure. You can derive the formula for any plane figures. If in the plane figures, suppose there is more than one plane figure is obtaining, then we can find the area of that plane figure by adding the area of plane figures. See, for finding the area of rectangle ABCD, let us join a diagonal, any one diagonal you can join AC or AD, and the area of rectangle is equal to area of this triangle and area of this triangle. Area of triangle, only keep in mind 1/2 into base into height. And see, area, length and breadth, there are 3 unknown quantities. If any 2 of them are given, then you can find the third. Suppose area is given L into B, and you have to find the formula for breadth. So which implies that area, it is multiplied, so area upon L is equal to B. Suppose you want formula for length, so area upon breadth is equal to length. Area upon breadth is equal to length. Example, see, suppose length is equal to 5 cm xy square as it is. If x and y both will be variables, then product will be x square y square. 5 into 3, 15 cm square. Area of rectangle 15 cm square. Similarly, we can find the area of a square. Area of a square. A square is also a rectangle in which all sides are equal. A square is a rectangle in which all sides are equal and each angle is 90 degrees. Suppose that this is a square ABCD. All sides are equal in a square. Each angle is of 90 degree. Suppose that length of AB is x. Length of AB. So AB will be also x. This is also x. So area of a square ABCD, area of a square ABCD is equal to area of this triangle and this triangle. Area of ABD plus area of BCD. ABD 1/2 into base, AB into height AB plus 1/2 into base CD into height BC. 1/2 into ABX into x plus 1/2 into base into x. X into x square upon 2 plus x into x square upon 2. 1x square upon 2 and 1. 1 2 2x square upon 2. 2 by 2 will be cancelled x square. X is the length of side. X square is x into x. Y square is y into y. M square is m into m. Cm square is cm into cm. The area of rectangle A is equal to x square, it is x into x. It is length of side. So side into side. Area of a square, side into side. Keep in mind, side into side. From here, we can find the formula for side. See, area, side is multiplied. So area x square, which implies that a square will come this side, then over under root a is equal to x, like this. X is equal to under root area. Side is equal to under root area. Side is equal to under root area. If a square will come this side, then under root multiply, then divide. If side will change, then sign will be also changed. So side is equal to under root area. As for example, if length of side length of side is equal to 4 centimeter, then area is equal to 4 into 4 cm into cm, cm square, it is equal to 16 cm square. Then if area is equal to 16 cm square, then side is equal to side is under area under 16 cm square. So factorize 16, 2 8 plus 16, 2 4 ja. You know already how to find the square root. There are two methods: prime factorization method and division method. This is prime factorization method. See, 1 2 3 4. So 2 pairs, 2 into 2 is equal to 4 centimeter. So side is 4 centimeter and area 16 cm square. Then area of a plate parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram, it is also plane figure. Parallelogram, in short we write symbol of parallel and GM. Parallelogram. In parallelogram, both pairs of opposite sides are equal and parallel. This is parallel to this and this is parallel to this. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. We have to find the area of parallelogram. See, area of parallelogram is, let us draw perpendicular DE from vertex D. DE is perpendicular to side AB. DE is perpendicular to side AB. So AB will be base and D height. So area of parallelogram, see in class 9 you have to do a study about properties of parallelogram. One property is diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. BD is diagonal and it divides parallelogram ABCD into two congruent triangles ABD and CED. ABD, triangle ABD and triangle CDB both are congruent, and congruent figures have equal areas. Because meaning of congruent, you know already, those two figures are congruent if they have same shapes and same sizes. Then area of parallelogram is based into height only, because area of this triangle ABD, area of this triangle ABD 1/2 into base into height. For this triangle also, area of triangle CBD 1/2 into base into height, because of both sides are equal. It is height 1/2 into base into height. So both figures have equal areas. So for finding the area of parallelogram, we can add the area of triangle ABD and area of triangle CBD. Both are equal. So see, half plus half, half of base and height, half of base and height is equal to only base into height. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. After adding half of base and height and half of base and height is equal to base into height. Area of parallelogram. So students, for finding the area of rectangle, a square and parallelogram, only you have to remember the formula for area of triangle. Area of triangle, and in class 9 we will see how to find area of triangle 1/2 into base into height. I have explained in briefly here how area of triangle is 1/2 into base into height by with the help of properties of parallelogram, and deeply we will study in class 9. So for today this much only. In the next video I will discuss about area of circle and perimeter of circle. So thank you.